Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm doing a flip through of 3 paper packs. This one is Stamperia Letters and Flowers, and it's actually an old one, but I only bought it recently. I think it's really pretty, and I'm going to do my next class at Bella Paperie with this one here. I just love the colourings in this one, and they have beautiful journaling cards as well, and you get a whole sheet of the tags, which are always really handy. So gorgeous colours and beautiful images. I love the envelopes that they do in these paper packs as well. And also we've got some ledger paper here with all the leaves around it, the ivy, really pretty. More tags and plenty of writing space here, so great for junk journaling. Another one here. And then this one, I like this, and these green ones are beautiful too. Go really well with the pinks, and right in my wheelhouse, the green. So I thought that this was a really useful paper pack to make a junk journal with. And that's what I'll be doing in my next class. Now the next 2 are both from Mintay, and these are new. This one's called Homemade, and I bought the actual pack because with the pack you get the sheet of fussy cut as well. Now I also purchased an extra sheet of the fussy cuts and an extra sheet of the tags because I thought that that would just boost the amount of pages that I can make with it and make a journal out of it. And it's just really lovely. I adore these embroidery hoops and the cups and everything. It's just so pretty, this one. As well, I got some lace that you'll see here. This is lace that the lady who owns the scrapbook shop, Bella Paperie, whose name is also Deborah, she hand dyes this, and look how well that goes. She's just got the perfect colour for matching this paper and also the other paper that I bought, which I'll show you in a moment. So we've got beautiful images and the lace here. I haven't looked through it yet, so this is the first time for me as well as you. The embroidery hoop, which is gorgeous, and pretty pink dots. Even though this is just plain dots, you can see it's like creased paper. So they've made something a bit different, not just having a page of dots. And I really like that about Mintay. Gorgeous. Just can't rave about it enough, really. The same here. They've got the marks, and like the paper looks like it's a bit grungy. And here it's all grungy down here. I'm not sure if you can see that. Let's see. Yeah, you're probably picking that up. Just beautiful. And a whole thing of embroidery hoops. I actually have embroidery hoops on my wall with map fabric in them, and I have pins of all the places that I've travelled to in the world. Maybe that's why I really liked this paper when I saw the embroidery hoops. We've got another page of gorgeous roses and doors. And this is the one that I bought 2 sheets of because I just think that they're really handy. Plenty of journaling space on the back of them. Very homely, this one. I guess that's why it's called Homemade. And the lace here is gorgeous as well. And again, that look that it's, you know, creased paper. You get 2 of each page in this pack. So you get 12 pages all together. 2 of each. And then, as I said, I've bought the extras. So that one is Homemade. And this one is called Fall Festival. Or if you live in Australia, I guess autumn. So it's all in those autumn colours. And again, this lace that Deborah has hand dyed goes beautifully with it. So I love this immediately because I got a thing for pumpkins. And the minute I saw the pumpkins, I knew I was going to buy this. And again, the bonus sheet. And I bought an extra of that and the cards, the tag set. So cute, little dog, and wonderful pumpkins. Lots of pumpkins on this one. This one here, again, you get 12 sheets in this one, and you get 2 of each design, plus you get 1 of the bonus sheet. It's really nice, and it's really different. Look at this wood that cut through of a trunk or a piece of trunk of a tree. And the colours, again, are just divine. Those leaves are beautiful. Look at this, amazing. I've already got ideas popping into my head as to what I can do with these papers. lots of pumpkins. And oh, look at the colours in that, it's beautiful. And the old rusty doors, very cute. And then this is the one that I bought an extra sheet of. And then we're back to the beginning again for the other set of 6. So that's what I bought today. So I hope you enjoyed those flip throughs, and it gives you a close-up look if you're considering buying any of these papers from your local scrapbook shop or online or anywhere it is that you live. I always like to do a flip through of the papers that I get, particularly because I do get quite a few, because I buy them to make classes and things with for my local shop, and I always like to share that with you so that you can see what they're like inside the packet. The other thing I love about both Mintay and Stamperia is the quality of the card. Like, it is really, really thick. It's not flimsy at all. You know, when you hold it, like, it's not sort of bending right away when you hold it. It's got a bit of a bend in it, but it's holding its shape. So it makes a very good paper to make a really sturdy junk journal with, or in fact anything that you're doing where it might get handled a lot. So that's why I really like this too. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and I will share other papers with you as and when I buy them. This is Deborah. Cheers.